Guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to flatten the plans in AutoCAD. So it happens many times that you're working on a file for a very long time, so it happens that all your lines are not on the same plane. So how to first of all check it is just right here, this buddy globe right over here, just to click on any of the four arrows that you want to see and just click on it, and it will change the viewing plane of the file. And as you can see here, I've been working on this file for a long time, and as you can see, the lines are not on the same plane as this is. So for this, what we'll do first, we'll go back to our default view, and then just we have to select the whole thing that we want to flatten and make it on the same plane, and just write the command flatten and press enter. And as you can see, it will load and make your all lines flatten down on the same plane in 2D. So my file is a bit heavy, so it will take a bit time. So this was it for the video, and share it with someone who may need it.